Alright, well, hello. It has been a while since I've been out hiking. My first time I've been out since my Taiwan videos. I hope you all enjoyed them. It's a great trip. I'm here at Lehigh Gorge State Park. It's my first time here. And we're going to do a few things today. There's two waterfalls I want to see. And then we're going to hike a little bit of the Vista Trail and check out the view of the gorge. So come along with me. We are at the Rockport Gap entrance. So if you know, familiar Lehigh Gorge, there's three different access points. We're at the Rockport access point, which is the center access point. You have the Glenanoco and you have the Whitehaven access points. The Rockport's right in the middle. So that's where we are compared to this park. Let's go and explore two waterfalls. We'll hit the waterfalls first, and then we'll do the other stuff. All right, so welcome. So since I got back from Taiwan, we've had a lot of new subscribers to the channel. So first of all, thank you for subscribing. We are almost at the taping of this. We are almost at 100 subscribers. So that's a big milestone. I never thought I'd see one subscriber, let alone 100. So thank you all for that. Consequently, if you are watching this video and you enjoy what you see, please subscribe. It will really help out the channel, and you'll be notified of new videos that I put out. I try to hold once a week uploads, just because of the way the editing process works, and I also work full time, so any more than 1 week is a little bit difficult, but that's the goal. And there'll be a wide variety of stuff on this channel. Yes, travel stuff, Taiwan. We hope to possibly glacier later, and Chile at the end of the year, potentially. But I also like to do hikes, explore historic locations here in Pennsylvania, and just do some fun things around. So it's a wide variety of everything. I know not everyone will like everything, but just stick with. If you don't like a video, hey, that's just wait for one you like. I'm sure at some point I'll put out something that you enjoy. So for today, we're going to do a couple waterfall hikes. I said here at Lehigh Gorge State Park, and this is in Carbon County, Pennsylvania. So I look forward to taking you along this journey. So just a quick update on the channel. All right, we made it to Buttermilk Falls. Beautiful little falls here. We'll go down here for a little bit closer look. Alright, so this falls is easy to get to. It's right on the DNR trail, so you can't miss it. If you're biking or walking the DNR trail, it's very, very easy, very one to see, and it's right on the trail. So very beautiful. So we're head the other direction and see Luke's Falls, and we'll see how that one compares. So back that way is Buttermilk Falls, where we just came through. This used to be an old railroad bed here, and they converted it to the Lehigh. I think it's the Lehigh Gorge Trail. I said the DNL. That's not correct. It's the Lehigh Gorge. But this is a ramp for whitewater rafting, because this area, you can see the Lehigh River is moving pretty swiftly. So this is a good area where they do whitewater rafting in the summertime or in the springtime when the water's flowing. So I might check that out. I'd love to go whitewater rafting. So, but this is the access point. You just roll the raft right down there, up into the rocks, and set sail the river down that way. So that's the way we're going. We're going downstream. Of course, right up there you can see it right up there. That's the parking lot. So from the parking lot to Buttermilk Falls, it's only 0.3 of a mile. It's not it's very, very easy. So, but yeah, that is whitewater rafting. Sign me up. All right, so this is something neat. So this is a bike repair thing. If you are riding the Lehigh Gorge Rail Trail here, and you need to repair your bike, you have a PSI thing down here to check the tire pressure. You have all sorts of tools. You have like a little wrench, and all sorts of smaller wrenches here, screwdriver. So this is a neat little thing for, if you ever have trouble riding your bike. So, but this is definitely the cooler side. This is all in shade. The other half we went down to Buttermilk Falls is in the sun. And the parking lot's right back that way. So definitely cooler. So I may have to I'll put on some layers. And just like that, we are here at Luke's Falls. This is the second of the two waterfalls we're gonna check out today. The sun's in the bad place, but of course it continues on down. You can't see the bottom of it, but still very pretty. Let's see if we can get the sun here. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better. Because that's going to flow down into the Lehigh River, which is about 20 feet behind me. So you see Luke's Falls behind me. Again, right off the DNL trail. This was a little bit farther, maybe a half a mile from the parking lot, but the terrain's flat, so shouldn't have any problem getting to it. So yeah, two really quick waterfalls you can check out here. So that'll do it for this adventure, nice and short. We're going to head up to another part of the gorge and explore up there. So I will see you in the next adventure.